When a car accident occurs, and a person is seriously injured by an at-fault driver, they may be entitled to file an insurance claim and receive a settlement. In most cases, even for property damage, an insurance settlement is often the most reasonable choice, unless the offer is too low. In this case, an attorney might try to settle out of court for a client, but if an agreement cannot be made, then it's usually taken to court and presented to a judge for ruling. There are several options for pursuing a motor vehicle accident claim, as you can see, and more to know about each. Continue reading to learn about filing an auto accident injury or insurance claim, and who to consult for accurate industry advice and counsel. Insurance settlements. Just like all other cases, insurance claim settlements vary in outcome. There are a few considerations to be aware of before moving forward with an insurance auto accident claim. For example, if you sustained only minor to moderate injuries, and only require a few doctor visits and checkups, then a simple insurance claim should cover your damages. Damages include hospital bills, medical expenses, medication, and property damage. With regards to property damage, most insurance companies will pay to cover repairs and paint, but in the case of high-end cars that are expensive to repair, you may not receive an offer from the insurance company to cover all the related and incurred expenses following your accident. If this happens, it might be in your best interest to pursue an out-of-court settlement with the help of a licensed attorney, or take your case to court. Insurance companies want to settle as soon as possible, but quick settlements can be a mistake. This is because once a person signs and accepts the offer, the case is immediately closed and cannot be brought back up ever again. If more injury or costs come up after the settlement is closed, the insurance company is not obligated to cover those additional or prolonged expenses. This is why it is important to hire a licensed attorney to facilitate your claim. Out-of-court settlement. For claims that cannot be sufficiently covered by an insurance settlement offer, an out-of-court settlement through attorneys may be necessary. In order to receive the compensation that will fully cover all related expenses, medical and property damage, you must take your claim to a lawyer so they can put together a case to present it to the at-fault driver's insurance company or other opposing party. Out-of-court settlements have a few advantages, like flexibility. There is no insurance policy limits to abide by or restrict a case, so you can pursue additional compensation for more related expenses, like time of work, lost wages, pain and suffering, and more. Out-of-court settlements are best for more serious accidents, damages, and injuries because more compensation can be recovered. For less serious cases, it is easier to just accept an insurance claim settlement. Contact a licensed personal injury lawyer that concentrates in the field of car accident injury claims for a full and fair settlement following a motor vehicle accident. They retain the knowledge, resources, and experience to provide effective representation for all car accident victims and their families. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.